Hey, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, deals that you can do now. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, today is not a low day, but today is just a deals you can do. I mean, you can wait to do this deal Saturday, but you don't know if the product is going to be there anymore. So majority of people are wanting to actually just go ahead and just do the deals like now and don't want to fool with, 5 off of 25 for Saturday, because some states and some cities, their Dollar General stores have the new system, which is the new receipt, and then other ones have both. My state that I live in, we have both. We have the old receipt and we have the new receipt. So closer to my home is actually the old receipt. So I just love that, and I hope we never get the new receipt. But when I go out somewhere, it's mainly the new receipt, not the old receipts. But it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? You just got to adapt to whatever you got to adapt to. So I went this morning again because I know yesterday I did a video, and this video is almost the same but different little products, different scents I could say, and one product was different. Like yesterday, if you go and check out that video, you will see what I actually purchased yesterday and with my out of pocket. Today is almost the same. And I did get cash back on this one too. Okay. So the first thing I got, we do have that coupon, $3 off of 15 for any Snuggle, Purcell, and all. I think it's all. So today I purchased this big beauty, this Chere'er 4-in-1. It is 115 loads, which is 150 ounces. I purchased this. This actually was $10. Yes, this big Mama Jamma is $10. And then I purchased the big Purcell again, which was $9.95. And it is 75 ounces. So this Purcell had a $2 off digital. And then the this Chere'er, it had a $2 off digital. So for both of those, my coupons did come off. Then on the Purcell, I think it was either the Purcell or the Chere'er. I couldn't remember which one, but on either one, there was a $2 off cash back on one of them. But I did get the cash back. Yes, I did get the cash back. So I was happy on that. And I will show you also on the screen of where I got the cash back for this morning. Then the last thing I got was these Febreze again. Now this is the apple cider, and this is the cranberry tart, which is the Febreze. They are limited editions, and they are $2.44. Now if you don't get the limited editions, then they are like $3.25 or a $4. So you might want to try and look around. Look on the end caps. So that's where I'm finding these on the end caps. There is a digital coupon for $3.30 off of 2. Okay. So I got a little overage for these two. So you might want to look for the Febreze for the limited edition for the Christmas. Okay. So after she scanned everything, I put in the telephone number, which I used my daughter's number. The subtotal came to $12.53. Everybody's taxes is different. So the total sales is $13.72. Total savings was $12.30. So let me show you my receipt. It looks like a little wrinkle. See, there's the receipt. And then I did get another 5 off of 25 for Saturday. So y'all better get out there Try to find, this is really a good, because these are some big items that you are really getting almost free. Because if I'm just paying $13.25, this is 10. Okay? This is 10. This one is $2, but you're getting both of them. So, and you're getting this right here free. So, I know some people don't like doing couponing, but y'all, 2024, the prices are not getting cheaper. The coupons are not getting higher, but they're being steady right now. Try. Just go in the store and try to, I know sometimes the cashiers can be a little intimidating, or the managers. You have to actually try to put them out of the mix. Go in there, do what you got to do. Don't argue with them. That's the main thing, okay? Don't argue with them. If they say that, you can always leave and go to another store. You don't have to go back to that store. You can go to another store. You might find a nice cashier that loves the coupons. I love couponing people and like to see good savings. Some of the cashiers, or majority of cashiers, are like that. But you might find one that is a little nasty, but just overlook it and keep it moving, okay? So, this right here is my Dollar General haul. Just like, subscribe, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.